cannot fit you. Trying your best, right? Not possible. Okay, 试看看吧。哇 ，OK， let's try to see whether you can go up. Oh, don't hurt your head 啊，不要伤到头啊，很硬哦，是不是很硬？很硬，所以不要伤到自己啊。OK， wow, OK， how to Okay, you're trying your best. Okay, we are at Bedok here for our outdoor safety challenge lah. But kids, please do not try this at home. Yeah, because safety first. On my right here is our Diamond Grille System, 4-inch gap. On my left here is a normal Invisible Grille System, also 4-inch gap. It's a loop system. So basically, the height is around 1.1 meter, a typical window height. Hello, what's your name?
Chloe.
How old are you?
11.
11. Let's try Diamond Grille System. Whether you can fit through or not. Cannot fit through. Try your best, right? Not possible. Okay, let's try the normal Invisible Grille and see whether it's possible to fit through or not. Oh, okay. Lavelle, okay, how old are you? 7. 7, okay, 7. Let's see whether you can go through Diamond Grille System. Okay, you're trying your best. Okay, great. Let's try the normal one. See, normal Invisible Grille. See whether you can go through or not. Try this. Okay. Wow. Okay. How do you feel it? No, but don't try this at home. Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much. Hi. We are at Punggol today for our Diamond Grille safety challenge. Please do not try this at home. Safety first. On my right here is our Diamond Grille System, 1.1 meter height, 4-inch gap. On my left here is a normal Invisible Grille, also 1.1 meter, 4-inch gap. And once emphasized, please do not try this at home. Thank you. 英文名是
当红欢。
红欢啊 ，OK， 你几岁
9岁。
9岁啊，那 yes， OK， 你可以试一下这个 Diamond Grille System 吗？看可不可以出去 ？Can try to see whether you can go up. Don't hurt your head 啊，不要伤到头啊，很硬哦，是不是很硬？很硬，所以不要伤到自己啊。OK， 这个是 normal 的那个 Invisible Grille， 你看一下，你 normal Invisible Grille， Can try to go through？ 可以看可不可以出去吗？可以。
不啊。
可以试看看可不可以出吗？
全部
对，可以试看看吗？哇 ，OK， 但谢谢你啊，但千万啊，不要在家里试这个东西啊，千万安全啊，妈妈都很担心的。Okay, what's your name? How old are you?
9.
Okay, Janice, can you try this Diamond Grille System, whether you can go through it or not? Yeah. Okay. Don't hurt yourself. Don't hurt yourself. Yeah, but I mean, are you trying your best?
Yeah.
Trying best, right? No worries. This is really tough. So, this is the normal Invisible Grille. Can you try to see whether you can go through it or not? Okay. Shanice, please do not. Yeah, don't try this at home. Really, this is safety first. Okay, thank you. Hello? Use your mic. Are you using all your strength? First, I will try to cut the Invisible Grille wire. I'll be using these $2 scissors that I got from the neighborhood $2 shop. Let's do it. Okay. The Invisible Grille wire has been cut through. Now let's try it on our diamond grill wire. Okay, it remains intact. Let's use this wire cutter. Okay, it still remains intact. Finally, let's test it on a pair of this plier. Okay, let's use my body weight to press on it and see whether it cuts through. Okay. Okay, the diamond grill wire remains intact, and in fact, it made some teeth marks on these two cutters.
Close your eyes for a minute, close your eyes for a second. I won't change my mind. Water's getting deep now, water's getting deep now. Follow me around, yeah. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, let me down. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think